Welcome back to the channel. I've got a quick video for you here for those of you that have one of these downdrafts over your kitchen stove. If you're used to the ones that are overhead, they've got a filter. That filter gets real gross and then you got to clean it. These have filters too. Let me show you how to clean them. The filter is located inside here in this little groove. And in order to get to them, this little front cover right here that spans the width needs to come off. Yours might be a little bit different, but most of these are assembled in the same way. In order to get this off, you pull upwards. Get a wider view for you. There you go, and it comes out. In order to put it back in, you see this little lip right here? That lip, you just put right over into that groove, and you put it here. You notice it won't go back in. You pull it up a little bit, and then it sits back down when this goes underneath into that groove. You can tell this one's a little gross. We haven't cleaned it in a few months. It's got oil and grease and everything all over it. I'm gonna get some paper towels and some just normal kitchen cleaner, wipe it down. And behind there, we've got these two filters. And I'm gonna show you how to get them out. You can clean them, but we've cleaned this thing for many years and you can see it's starting to kind of get bigger holes in it. This side's okay. This outside part is starting to deteriorate. Same with this one. You can see the mesh is not quite there in some areas. If you do want to clean them, run them under hot water, dish soap, hot water, dish soap, hot water, and they'll clean up nice, and then wipe it down with a paper towel or just terry cloth or something, put them back in, you're good to go. In my case, I'm going to replace them, and I'll show you what I'm replacing them with. They're just a little bit bigger, and I measured, and I think they should fit correctly. Be able to catch a little bit more of that grease, and they're brand new. This thing's, I don't know, 20 years old, so it'll be nice to have new filters in there. The other thing you want to clean is the back of this housing. All of this grease here, all this grossness, just wipe it up. First with a dry paper towel, then with a wet paper towel and maybe some kitchen cleaner, Windex, something like that. If you want, you can get down in there, clean up whatever you can get to. It's a good opportunity to get it all just nice and clean in there, up at the top, underneath this thing, on that side. Just get it all nice and clean, because all that grease, if you leave it in there, you can always kind of smell it. And that grease smell you'll always have kind of hovering over your stove. Got it all nice and clean and wiped down. Now let me show you the new filters. Got two of them, 1, 2, because we've got two old filters. The width is identical to the old ones, but as you can tell, it is a little bit taller than the old ones. Now what we want to do, these new ones have these little nifty handle to it. I don't know if that'll come in useful or not. I'm going to test fit it right here. Goes into that bottom slot, and they just kind of lean this direction. I think that fits well. Let me get the second one. Got the second one here. I'm going to wiggle it in there. Perfect fit side to side. It goes all the way up against this side, all the way against that side. In the middle of them, you just want to make sure they meet. That's good. And I think this is going to be good. Let's see. Next thing we want to do is grab our front plate. If you remember, we're going to kind of wiggle this piece in there like that. And then we're going to lean it up. And it won't go in. We got to lift it up just a little bit. And then, oh, that's it. Place it back down. And our filters are perfect in there. They fit well. We got a little bit more filter surface area. And honestly, I'm happier with these because they kind of reach the top of this guy much better. And the airflow going down is going to go directly through those filters. I'm going to put the link to these down in the description. I think they were 18 bucks a piece on Amazon. And if you're replacing them once every 10 years, that's pretty good return on investment in my opinion. And you can still take them out and clean them every so often just to make sure you don't have grease trapped in there. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you want to support the channel, hit that like button. And if you'd like to subscribe, do that as well. In the meantime, I love you guys. I will see you next time.